Hello guys, I hope you are all fine and healthy. In this class we talk about 2D arrays. Arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable instead of declaring separate variables for each value. What is 2D array? 2D array a two-dimensional array similar to one-dimensional arrays. 2D array is in a collection of data cells. 2D array work in the same way as a one-dimensional arrays in most ways. However, two-dimensional array allows to us to specify both a column index and a row index. All the data in the 2D array is of the same type. More of a two-dimensional array is similar to a one-dimensional array, but it can be visible as a grid or table with row and columns. We sometimes call the matrix 2D arrays. We look here. This is a table of 2D arrays. 0, 0 index, 0, 1 index, 0, 2 index, 0, 1 index, and 0, 2 index. 1, 0 index, 1, 1 index, 1, 2 index, 2, 0 index, 2, 1 index. We declare 2D array by three ways. The first way is integer type of array, and we declare double square brackets. After that we declare the name of arrays. Let's jump to the NetBeans and work practically. The first step I want to declare to do array. We separate the rows by comma. That is the first way I declare and initialize the 2D array. The second way, and the third way, we declare the 2D array. That one, the first way we declare 2D array, and that is the second way we declare the 2D array, two-dimensional array, and that is the third way. I want to add some numbers to this array. Num 0, 0 we assign. We know that we also call matrix to the two-dimensional array. That's the first way we declare initialize the two-dimensional array. That's the second way we declare initialize two-dimensional array, and that's the third way we declare and initialize the two-dimensional array. How to print these two-dimensional array? For printing two-dimensional array we use the nested loops, because we have here the tables of matrix, columns and rows. For the printing of dot columns and row, we use the nested loops. For the first loops for the printing rows, and the second loop for the printing columns. I is less than. We looks here we have the 3 columns and 3 rows. Now I should be less than from 3, I plus. After that we declare another loops inside this loop, because now we printing the columns elements. J also less than 3, because we have the 3 columns. After that we have print the number, because number is the name of this array, I and j, and separate by space. After the nested loop, out of the nested loops box we have a print. When I run this program, this is the first matrix print. This when I change the array names to numbers, this matrix will be printed. Let's change it to numbers and run again. Now the matrix will be changed. If I change to this num, this matrix will be small matrix, but I want to change because here we have 2 columns and 2 rows. I change also to end run program. Yes, when we want to add these elements, we declare the and sum is equal to. After that loops we use the sum plus assignment num I. After loops we print the sum. When I run this program, yes, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. We add these matrix elements to each other. That is the two-dimensional array in Java. I hope you are understand.